To download MP3 music from YouTube on Android mobile, go to Chrome app. In search, type youtube.com desktop. Go to the first link, YouTube. You will find an option below, Continue to Studio. Click on Continue to Studio, and YouTube Studio dashboard will be opened as desktop. In left menu pane, you will find the last icon, Audio Library. Click on Audio Library, and here you will find a lot of music track. Welcome to YouTube Audio Library. Browse and download music free of cost for your project. If you wish, you can play music from here. Or if you want to download any MP3 music from here, just select the MP3 music and you will find a download button. Click on download button and download finished. Click on open to play the music. Now I'm going to show you how you find your downloaded music in your mobile storage. Go to files, click on audio file, and here you will find your downloaded music and click on play music. This is the easiest way to download MP3 music from YouTube on Android.